Here is more of the same. And as you can see, these trees are going to struggle to recover, if they recover at all. And this is just a sample of the damage that was done. This strip probably runs about a mile, and they took the bush hog to the entire strip. What else could have been done? They could have hired men with chainsaws to come in and do selective cutting. That would have preserved the trees. They could have cut down the trees that they felt were in the way of the road, although, as you can see, this is a wide strip to the road. They could have also cut down the offending branches without harming the rest of the tree. But these trees have been damaged beyond repair. This is going to look like this for years to come. And as I think that probably at least half of these trees will not recover at all.